Hey, what's up? As the title of this video says, today we have performance test of Redmi Note 7. We will talk about specifications, run benchmarks and different tests, as well as play popular Android games. If you missed, yesterday we made unboxing video of Redmi Note 7. You can watch it by the link in description. In coming days we will publish videos about camera and battery of bestseller from Xiaomi. Hit the like button, click the bell not to miss new videos and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. This smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 660 chipset. We have a version with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory, but also you can choose from 3 and 32GB or 4 and 128GB. I think that you don't need more than 64GB of storage, because there is microSD support. You know, Snapdragon 660 was released in 2017, but it still provides very good performance. It is even better than most MediaTek processor from 2019. Now let's look at benchmarks results of Redmi Note 7. As usual, I want to start with AnTuTu. The phone scores 145,000 points, which is very good result. By the way, here you can see the specifications of mobile device, such as processor, memory, camera, etc. The next benchmark is GeekBench 4. The single-core score is 1637 and multi-core score is 5796. 3D Mark offers to launch Slingshot Extreme test. The overall OpenGL SE 3.0 score is 1354, the Vulkan score is 1299. Also I have tested Wi-Fi speed, internal memory speed and GPS accuracy. Everything is fine on Redmi Note 7. I know that many of you play games on mobile devices. Redmi Note 7 is a great smartphone for that. You can play any games on this phone, such as PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9, Shadowgun Legends and many other games. Yeah, there may be skipped frames in heavy games such as Shadowgun Legends or PUBG Mobile on HD graphics. However, this happens not so often, and you may not even notice them. Redmi Note 7 has a very good performance for budget phone. Although it is powered by 2 years old chipset, and I would like to see new processor from Qualcomm, for example Snapdragon 675 like Redmi Note 7 Pro, but the performance is still good for 2019. The user interface runs very well, fast and smooth. Also, you can play any games on medium graphics. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about performance of Redmi Note 7? Write in comments below, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.